finally testing day. I'm going to see how well this system works. Got brake line from the main tank into this flex line here. I had to get a different air valve because the one I got from that truck doesn't work, leaked too much, so I just got another one. Got this new style flex line where you just plug into the adapter. It's pretty simple. Not entirely sure if I'll use brake line from the tank all the way up to the valve when I put this on my car. It's just something to think about. I'll decide that later, but now I'm just going to test to see if these horns work at 115 psi, looks like. Turn it on. This parking lot's about 500 feet from here to that snowbank, straight from just looking straight on. I'll be doing testing from here, a little bit of ways to all the way in the back to see how loud it is from a distance. And all the way on, just see how it sounds. It's got a good echo. Alright, we'll do it from a slight distance. Not too bad. All that, it's still on 90 psi. Got a good echo to it, nice sound. 90 psi, and these fuckers can work down all the way to 20 psi. I built them that good. Sounds pretty badass. And to prove I ain't bullshitting you, it's right on 20 psi. Still works. See if we can go down to a lower, work even lower psi. Try and get it down to 10. About 10. They're sitting at around 5 psi. There, now it's even below that line. Now it looks like 4 psi, I'm thinking. So around 4 to 5 psi is its absolute lowest, but it's a successful test. It proves that the horns I fixed up can hold up to the pressure, literally. Now I just have to buff them out and place them on my car, whenever that'll be. Shortly down the road. But this is just a mock-up test. just to see if the system will even work, or if that valve is as good as it looks, and it is, it works. I'll keep that valve. And I'll flip a coin if I want to use brake line, you know, as the main line. This stuff seems to work pretty damn good.